All right, we're at Buc-ee's here in Richmond, Kentucky. There's Buc-ee's there. Judy is already inside, and we have not been to a Buc-ee's yet to experience what it's like inside of a Buc-ee's. We're on our way to the Tail of the Dragon down in Tennessee, and we have the bikes loaded up, as you can see. First, we're gonna go inside and check out Buc-ee's. We're gonna see what it looks like. We're gonna walk in here. Now, I've never really took the camera inside of public areas like this yet, so I'm really not too sure how it's gonna be or how I'm gonna get looked at, because I've never done this. This is kind of new to me, so we're gonna try it out and see how it is. So we're gonna walk in here and see where Judy is. My son and grandson's in there. We're gonna see what they're doing. Smells good. Smells really good in here. Excuse me. It's pretty nice in here. Not sure where everybody's at. Got it. Wife is in here somewhere walking around, and I'm going to have to find out and see where she's at. We'll see if we can find her. They got all kinds of food in here. This is pretty nice. Look at this. Food all around through here. It's really nice. So I'm not sure where she's at in here. So far, I haven't got any bad looks. We'll see. Like I said, this is kind of new coming in here like this with the camera around all this many people in public. So we'll just see how it goes. And if they ask me to put it away, and please do, I'll put it away. No big deal. We'll see how it is in here. This looks pretty nice. A lot of stuff in here. Stuff everywhere in here. They've got everything through here. This is a nice place. You see all through here. Really nice. And I'm not sure where Judy's at. She's in here somewhere. Follow her and see where she's at. I'm not sure where she's at. I've lost her in Buc-ee's. I have to follow a missing wife and see where she's at in here. Hey, Dad, you're good. She's in here somewhere. Not sure where she's at. But we'll find her somewhere in here. How you doing? Looks like they've got all kinds of stuff over in this corner. It's the Twin Oaks Tackle Shop. And there's all kinds of stuff through here. This is kind of cool. A lot of stuff in here. Even got trail cameras in here. Kind of the wrong brand though, I think. They need to be trying some Guard Pro cameras in here. Order some Guard Pros or something in here. There's just way too many of the Moultries in here. But yeah, they need to start carrying Guard Pros or something. But a lot of stuff in here. Trail cameras everywhere. Like coolers. And it's like they got a Superior chain stores over there, like a bunch of kids stuff over there. This place has got a lot of stuff in here. I gotta tell you, there's nobody back here in this corner with me right now, so I gotta tell you, this place smells. The smell of this place is just amazing. With the fragrance or whatever you want to say in here, but it smells good. So we're gonna go through here so I can find her in here anywhere. But they got all kinds of kids' clothes here. Of course, they got a bunch of Kentucky stuff, shirts and everything. A lot of kids' stuff right in here. And there's tons of stuff in here. These are kind of cool. This is really neat. Look at this. Hang on a minute. Ready? Ready for this? There's Buc-ee. Buc-ee. Ain't he cool? He's pretty cool. Like I said, this is our first time in one of these Buc-ee stores, and it's kind of neat. There's a little bit of everything in here, but it is neat. And I seen one person made a review on this, and I think it was Her Two Wheels. And I watch her also. And She mentions how there's no place in here to sit down, and she is right. There is no place in here at all to sit down and enjoy your food or anything like that, which it's okay, no big deal. But yeah, I wasn't expecting that. You know, you think some places would have a place to sit down, but they don't. But it is neat in here. And they got all kinds of Buc-ee stuff in here, all kinds of shirts for kids and stuff. But these are neat. These are pretty cool. These are real cool. We'll walk over here and see if we can find the wife. God, it smells good in here though. It smells real good in here. You got all your Buc-ee, your buttons on the wall, all your stuff over here is on the wall. Buc-ee stuff everywhere. They even got pajamas here. It's pretty neat stuff in here. This is really neat. And let's see, what's this? World famous jerky. All kinds of jerky. Look at the jerky on the wall. All over here. This is pretty cool. Some bigger Buc-ee's up there. I guess I had a hold of one of the junior Buc-ee's. There's a bigger Buc-ee. I don't know where the wife is. I might have to put a beeper on her or something and find out where she's at. Because I can't locate her. Oh God, you gotta see these. These are awesome too. Look at these. Look at these guys. Look at these. Look at them. Look at them. That's so cute. Check them out. It's a bat. He's a bat. A bigger Buc-ee. There's a grown-up. That's a grown-up Buc-ee. Walk around there. It's like they got Halloween stuff out already. Got a bunch of Halloween things out here, all over there. And there's all kinds of stuff through there. She may be over there. We'll see if she's over that way. I'm not sure where she's at. Gonna look to the right.
It's the wife.
It's the wife calling me now.
Wife.
See?
Warning. Warning. It's the wife.
Yeah. I'm in Buc-ee's. Where are you at? Are you in Buc-ee's? Are you in Buc-ee's too? Hang on a second here. Hang on. Where are you at?
I'm over here by the, what do you call this? The biscuit board.
The biscuit board?
Brisket board.
I'm in Buc-ee's. Are you in Buc-ee's?
Yes.
This place is huge, isn't it?
So where are you at, actually, in the store?
I'm back behind the Halloween stuff, back to the left. Back like where all the purses and stuff are at.
Finish it up and get over here, and we're going to get a sandwich, and then we're going to leave and get on the road.
All right, good enough. I'll be heading that way.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. I guess they're at the brisket board, so we're gonna go over and see where she's at. And this place is really nice. My first time in here, and it smells so good in here. So we're gonna head to the brisket board. I'm not sure where that's at. Let's see. We got the jerky, the burrito tacos, chicken fries, bakery sweets, Texas Roundup. We'll go find out where she's at. I'm not sure where she's at. Oh my God, look at all this stuff in here. Look at all this. My grandson joined me. Here's my grandson.
What's going on, guys?
Here's my grandson.
Buc-ee's with Papal.
So I'm gonna try to find out what's going on here because I want some peanut butter fudge for sure. See any peanut butter fudge?
Yeah,
right there.
That's the good stuff.
I want some peanut butter fudge.
Oh yeah.
So we pay for that here or over there?
Yeah, you get it bagged up right here.
Okay.
And then they'll pay for it up there.
All right. So I'm gonna get me some peanut butter fudge, and then I see them over there at the brisket. Yep. Is she waiting on me?
I think so. You want me to go get her?
Tell her I'm over here getting fudge. Is she getting me something over there?
I don't think she's got any fudge yet.
No, did she get something over there?
I got nothing.
I just want some of your peanut butter fudge.
How many?
2.
Will that be all for you?
Yeah, that looks pretty healthy. It looks pretty thick to me, so. Want to have the grandson hold the camera here on me.
All right.
I'm gonna play this young lady here.
Oh, we got the camera, folks.
There you are, sir.
Oh, thank you. All right, we're gonna be heading this way, and we're gonna see what Judy's got over here. Oh man, those look good. What are those two? What are those?
These are like peanut butter brittle
See what those are. Pick those up. See what those are.
pecan spray line.
What's this one?
Pack.
What's this one?
I don't know. Yeah, same thing. I don't know. It looks pretty good.
I don't know. It looks pretty good. I think I better stick with what I got. This fudge is pretty thick. Want to work our way over here to the wife's hat. See what she's into. What are we waiting on?
Nothing. Just waiting on nothing right now.
I guess we're going to gather a few things up and then head out to the truck and be on our way to the Tail of the Dragon. All right, so this place is pretty nice. Check it out if you haven't been here. Like I said, it smells great in here. So, hey, thanks for staying with me. We're going to go over here and get a sandwich right now. Thought we were leaving, but we're not leaving yet. Brad said get the ones at the very end of the red checker. It's got sauce and stuff on them. Yeah. So these had sauce on them or something. So we're gonna grab a couple of these. My son was saying they had some kind of sauce on them. So we're gonna grab a couple of those.
Tomato pesto sauce.
Yep, that looks good. We'll grab a couple of those. And we got us a Buc-ee cooler. Let's head over here to the drinks. We'll grab a drink real quick to take with us. I lost her. See, I lost her. So that's how quick it is. All right, we're gonna go over here and grab us a pop, and then we're gonna get back on the road again. I thought I was already done. So we're gonna go over here and get us a pop. They got bigger coolers up there. Go back here and find us something to drink. We probably ought to, yeah, grab a thing of water. Yeah, we're gonna grab a thing of water too. And I'm gonna go back here and grab me probably a, are you wanting what are you getting to drink? I'm just gonna drink a Diet Coke.
That's fine with me.
So a couple Diet Cokes. Diet Coke or Coke Zero?
Coke Zero's fine.
Coke Zero. You see them? Judy's gonna grab her a couple of Coke Zeros out of there.
Hey, it's probably cheaper to get a fountain drink.
So we're gonna get ready to head out of here. And they are all decked out in Buc-ee stuff. So we're gonna head out. Is it cheaper to get a fountain pop or is it cheaper to buy the bottled pop? So we'll see. Guess we'll just get a bottled pop and head out. Yep, go ahead and head out. We're gonna head to checkout right now. It's kind of a toss of which line to go into. Our first time at Buc-ee's. What do you think?
Big place.
Huh?
They have a lot of everything. like that.
Try it.
It won't melt.
There you go. Yes, done great. Get some money out here.
All right, 24 pack. I got you. All right. Anything else for you guys?
Nope,
today?
that's it.
All right. It comes out at 99 delivery.
That was a quick $100. And thank you.
Guys, have a good one.
You as well.
I can open the next
All right, we are on our way out now. So, that was a quick $100, wasn't it, hun? That didn't take long. Fudge is pretty expensive too, but it looks pretty good. So, what do you think now, honey? We're outside now. What do you think about our first experience at Buc-ee's?
It was cool. It's interesting. They had a lot of neat stuff in there.
They had a lot of things in there. So, hey, we're gonna load the truck up and we're gonna head to the tail of the dragon. So, till then, enjoy the outdoors and stay safe. See ya.